Hi, this is Tommy from Coda Tulsa with your coach's notes for Friday, July 17th. We have A through E today. We have some anaerobic sprint work and then some shoulder structure work, strength work as our part C, which actually comes in the middle today. So the structure is a little weird. We have a bike sprint for A, a row sprint for B. C is where we hit that structure strength work, and it kind of mixes up those high intensity anaerobic sprints and kind of gives people an opportunity to recover. And then we have D and E, which is basically the same thing, a bike sprint and then another row sprint. You can go two ways about this. You can really keep it structured and have your clock kind of flipping over, kind of guiding you when to have groups and waves start their sprints. I definitely do it in groups and waves so people have people cheering them on and not everyone's going at once with like a lot of rest and downtime in between them. As far as warm-up goes on this, I'd focus on the shoulder prep of it. We have a lot of push-up stuff, and make sure you're drilling good push-up positions. I just spent some time going over what makes a good push-up and the different ones we have today. Shoulder width push-ups, regular push-ups, and then wide push-ups. I'll flip over and show those in the video. Like I said, you can go two ways about it. You can keep it super structured and keep people on the clock the whole hour, or you can kind of just gauge the class and figure out when they feel recovered. As long as you're staying within that 6 to 8 minutes of rest, you should be fine. That's how I'm gonna do it. I'm gonna have the class, and I'm just gonna kind of gauge the crowd, feel out when they're ready. Just kind of have a clock going on the side, maybe just to kind of keep things on track. But really, the idea here is to not rush people into these sprints. You want them to go hard each time. And really make sure that people are adhering to that minute 15 cap. If they're going over that, they might be pretty wrecked and not willing to do the next one. But as far as warm-up goes, it doesn't have to be anything super fancy. Hit the shoulders, drill some push-ups, and maybe even just incorporate something fun. Because, this isn't super fun stuff. These sprints I wouldn't consider super fun. And all you want to do is get their heart rate up. They're not super complex. You don't need to do any drilling of a barbell movement. Just get them on the bike and go. This might even be a good day for like gotcha if you have a basketball goal or something. But besides that, make sure people are going hard. People are doing proper push-ups, and they're getting the rest they need. All right, have a good one.